Hey guys, this is Adulam FX. So, quick one on USD Uh, price has been ranging for a while now. I mean, since last week, look at how this um, particular Sarabia, how the market range. So it's been annoying since last week, like that. Even this setup, the market, I think not this particular one, this blind spot, the market took us out because of too much consolidation. So, yes. So, in this sense now, um, what are we looking at for? Okay, if you use Google Map, which is the top-down analysis, Adulam top-down analysis, so you see that from the weekly, yeah, if you have been following me, you see from the weekly, I know that the market has been rejected from the danger zone, which is um, the how do I call it? The danger zone is what I call the buying neighborhood, right? Which is this one. This is where the market started rejecting to the upside. So I've been expecting the market to push as well to the upside, but because the market has been ranging, I don't know what is happening with USD pairs, but I think we can have a move now. Anyways, it is what it is because we have to trading is it's a professional game, right? It means that in terms of waiting, in terms of in a situation where market needs professionalism in you, mean as a trader, you have the profession of waiting, right? You are not bothered of waiting. You can wait as long as the market has not given you what you want. So the ability to wait for the right moments to happen in the market is what makes you professional. It's not just placing a trade, buy, sell, or market should be giving you result every single day. It doesn't work like that. Of course, my method is it is true, market does not give you opportunity to trade every day. So you need professionality or professionalism. How do I put this English, guys? To be able to, master, to be able to understand the market in respect to your strategy, right? So enough of this talk. So now what are we looking for? We said the market started rejecting, or the market rejected from this danger zone from the weekly time frame and is forming something like, if you look at it here, let me give you this explanation. When you look at it, the first top push, and this is the weekly, and the market drop back to form the second or so. This is like is forming an M or W pattern. It's either W pattern or double bottom, right? So, and if we are going to consider this as a W pattern, it means that um, we have different types of W patterns. So this one is what we call the extended. So, the first leg will push, and then the second leg will extend before started pushing. We have this, the normal W, also the same thing with the M. We have the normal, let me do it better. We have this one, the normal W, right? And then we have the extended. It means the second leg is lower than the first leg. And then we have the truncated. Means the second leg is not even close to the first leg like this. So these are the three ways, either the market, either double bottom or double top. If you go in details, you see this is how this market formed. But however, I keep telling you in my videos, I use these reversal patterns to determine the trend direction because the trend direction is my secret, right? It's my secret to trade Fantastic Five profitably. So in this sense, now you see that most of this reason why these W patterns different is because of some reasons or liquidations and all of that. So if you look at this one, you see that it was extended. Look at the first one here, push. The second one extended. So the reason for this extension is to clear maybe liquidity here. But of course, I'm just trying to give you a hint that the reason why we have different types of the W and the M's is because of some reasons in the market according to the market makers. But what I want you to know is that I don't trade this. I just use this to know where the market is pushing. Then I can then make my plans in respect to that direction, right? So now the market has come here and is going to be pushing back. The market is going to be pushing all the way to this point here. So it means in a very long in for maybe throughout the entire month of October and maybe December, we are going to be looking for more potential buying opportunities to the upside on USD CHF, right? So as the market keep moving to the upside in the lower time frame, it will keep providing fantastic five in respect to that direction. But we are not static, right? We are dynamic, we are flexible. The market can get here and just decide to start coming that wherever the market wants to go in a long run is what I'm just trying to say, top analysis wise, right? But when the market is moving only in the lower time frame, we'll be able to know whether we're going to continue following the market, that specific direction. If the market decided to change, and then we also be flexible, right? We don't want to be fixed with our analysis, right? So now let's go to the daily. We now see reason on daily also market structure wise, characteristics of market structure wise. This is impulse, this is correction, this is impulse, then another correction. So it is this correction that we try to buy. Last week, the market was terrible consolidation, no momentum in the market and all of that. So yeah, and then the market make a push to the upside. So now our agenda is to see how we can keep pushing all the way to this side. And remember, if you know market structure very well, you also know that if you understand the danger zone or the selling and the buying neighborhood, like I said, if market is pushing to the upside, if the market is pushing to the upside, the only reason why it's going to be causing deeper retracement is when market encounter a strong pass selling neighborhood or a strong pass supply area in the market. So that is why we need to take note of those strong past supply or those strong past demands. We need to take note of them so that we know where we can actually buy and where we can actually stay out of the market, right? So for now, I believe the markets will continue pushing maybe all the way to this point here. It's either break this selling neighborhood or we have another deep retracement before the market can be able to. If this the selling neighborhood or the danger zone is strong enough, the market will be able to push for another retracement before it can finally break, right, to the upside. But however, our plans right now is to see how we can look for opportunities to right from this moment where the market is still here to this particular point. Okay, so guys, so now what do? We have understood we are used the weekly and the daily to know where the market is pushing, and then the next thing is to go to the lower time frame, either H4, H1, whatever, to see if we can have a trade right there. So now, this is H4 time frame. So what do we do on H4 time frame? What do we do here on H4 time frame? What can we see any reason here? They look like a scenario C1 on the H4. I think that's a scenario C1. Let's put it here. It looked like a scenario C1. I'm just want to put a line right there, right? So, but let's still go down to the lower time frame. Okay, it's interesting here. So I want to see, I want to, okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame. I mean, 30 minutes time frame. So yeah, already marked this level. I'm not convinced with that scenario one on H4. So I want to work with this. So I want to work with this. This is potential um, quasi-model continuation. So I will be looking forward the market to buy from here right to the upside. So this is the setup as simple as this, right? Let's see what the market is going to do. But this is where we want to buy to the upside. Maybe I don't like talking about entering. So because I just want you to understand the setup, how to look for setup, very important first. All right, so this is my potential setup on USD CHF. Let's see how this is going to play out, guys. Peace. I forgot to say one thing, look, guys. Do not, do not, do not leave this video. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't done that, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. And also make sure you share to your friends who want to understand how to trade Fantastic Five profitably. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys.